In today's video, we're going to look at how you can earn $100 over and over and over again for suggesting ideas. Now, the cool thing about this method I'm going to be sharing with you today is anyone can do this. You definitely don't need experience. You don't need to spend a lot of time on this. You do not need special skills. And why I like this website and why I'm going to be sharing this with you is for this reason alone. This company have been around for a number of years, and they currently work with and have also worked with previously some of the biggest brands in the world. We can see on here we've got Coca-Cola, we've got Facebook, we've got Dell, Unilever, Shell, Amazon, and many more. So this is a legitimate company that they pay pretty decent, and I'll show you all of this in a second. So please watch this video till the end, because by the end of today's video you'll know exactly how this works, how to set this up. We'll go over some free resources, but then I'll share with you a cool method of how you can actually make more money with what we're going to be covering, because there's a number of ways you can earn, but the last one I'm going to share with you is without a doubt the best one, okay? So with that being said, let's jump over here into the website and I'll walk you through all of this. So let's come over. Where's it gone? Let's come over. Oh, no, not in this one. We don't want this one. We want to come into this one over here. It's called Mind Sumo, okay? So over on this website here, you want to go to mindsumo.com. Now, on here, how this works is if we scroll on here, you can see these are the companies who they've worked with. And basically, what happens over on this website here is, if I come over to the, let me click on what we do. So I'll show you this first. So you can see here, they find breakthrough ideas quickly and for the right price. So all of these companies that we looked at in the beginning, basically, you know, if they've got an idea for a project or something they're thinking of launching, or, you know, they just want some fresh ideas, they come onto MindSumo, and basically you can see here, they will start what is known as a challenge. And basically, if we scroll down here, you can see, look, they do brainstorming, they do optimization, they do future innovation, and basically they're just looking for ideas and suggestions from users of this platform over here. So if you come back over to the home page, and I'll show you this, so how it works. So you can sign up for free. You just come over to the website, click on login, sign up. Now, if we scroll further down the page here, you can see I'm a problem solver. This is how it works. So scroll down the page here and it tells you about this, and you know there's lots of testimonials on the page here from people who have, you know, been on the platform and used the platform. But basically, at any point in time, you can see, look, take a look at current and past projects from our clients. So you can see current ones that are available on the platform. They've got ones which are closing soon, and then you can even scroll down and you can see like these ones here. These are currently being reviewed, and further down the page here, we have got completed, okay? But basically, how this works is very simple. Create an account for free. Now, you see this here, look, propose a way to keep contract talent engaged in between projects. And you can scroll through and you can have a look at any of these different, you know, these are the questions here, or the challenges and the tasks. So like this one here, for example, how can social media provide a more positive experience for users? And we can see on here, there's $800 up for grabs to the top 50% of ideas. So if you click on here, it will open up into, not into that tab, into this one here. So we can see on here, now this company, for whatever reason, they don't want to reveal themselves, but a lot of the time, if you come back over here, you can see like this one here is Wells Fargo, a huge company. A lot of the time, for whatever reason, they're hiding, but you know, some of the time we are seeing this. We've got Mondelez, again, a huge company here. What's your playful Oreo pack design for Christmas? So I mean, look, you can actually create an Oreo pack design and you can earn money. We'll open that and have a look at that, but let's go back over to this one over here. So how can social media provide a more positive experience for users? And if you scroll down the page here, I mean, you've got a little bit of blurb here about, you know, what they're trying to do. But this here where it says deliverables, these are the questions and you're going to answer them, i.e. submit your ideas. So look, choose one specific social media platform that you regularly use and answer the following questions. We've got here, propose a new idea. How would your idea work? How would your idea lessen the negative impacts? And then we've got this one down here. And it says here, we are looking for creative and outside the box ideas. So don't be afraid to think big. in your submissions. And then if we scroll down here, we can see reward tiers. So if your suggestion is in the top 10%, you will win a share of $500. If it's in the 15%, it's $225. You can earn $100. Okay, so this is basically how this method works. But if we come back over here, look at this one. You can partner up and design, look, an Oreo pack design for Christmas 2030. That'd be cool to tell your friends, wouldn't it? So let's scroll down here and look, deliverables. What is your festive structural packaging idea to be featured in a store or online, or indeed both? Now, the cynic in me would be thinking, well, you know, this company over here, this Mondelez, they're a massive company, and you know, I'm sure they've got their own designers, their own in-house marketing teams. They absolutely have. But for the sake of spending, you know, $1,600, you know, they can get an influx of ideas, suggestions, creative ideas, things that they've possibly, you know, not even thought about before. So, you know, they will come onto platforms like Sumo to go ahead and get suggestions and ideas, and they will take all of those and give them to, you know, their marketing teams, their, you know, teams who will bring that idea to life. So it works really well for the company, and it also works well for, you know, us, or people who are trying to earn some money. And you can go down here and you can see everything about this, okay? And then again, you can see how much you can potentially earn with this. And then we've also got a leaderboard in this example. Look, actual individual rewards will be based on total number of eligible solutions. So you can come through and have a look at this as well. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? So suggesting an idea, and you can see we've got people earning money all of the time on here. Now, if I come over to here, let's just click on this person. Does it allow you to? No, it doesn't. Previously, I think, unless you have to be signed in, you can look at people and, you know, past competitions that they've entered and other bits. So this is the website. Now, at the beginning of the video, I said I'd share with you how you can actually earn more money. Now, it's pretty cool. If I come down here, let me scroll to the bottom, and do you see where it says, where's it gone? Ambassador program. So basically, look, you can become a Sumo ambassador and earn rewards for referrals. Now, look, I am not an ambassador. Don't worry, I'm not sharing this with you to be, you know, to earn from you. But basically, this is known as affiliate marketing. And, you know, they're just using a different word for this, an ambassador. Basically, the short version of this is if you can share, you can see on here, look, referral form. So you sign up on here, basically, as an affiliate, and they will give you your own link. And then what happens is you can share your link with friends, family, work colleagues, etc. And then look on here. If your referral launches a challenge, you'll get a $150 Amazon gift card from Sumo, and you can share this. You know, you can, if you work at a big company, you could share this with your boss, and you know, if they launch a challenge over on the platform, you can earn money from this. Now that is affiliate marketing. That's just one way how you can make money online from essentially sharing a link, because that's what affiliate marketing is. You get given a link, you share that link, and you can earn an affiliate commission. Huge platforms do this all around the world. We have this on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and many more. If you want to learn, you know, more about affiliate marketing, there's a link down below. You can go ahead and check that out. I've got a free affiliate marketing course, and if you go over to my blog, by the way, I have got lots of articles about, you know, affiliate marketing, making money online. I've got a members area and lots more. So look, that's today's video. I know it's a little bit short and it's, you know, something a bit different, but you can earn some pretty decent money from, you know, suggesting ideas and just helping out some companies with a few thoughts and suggestions. And you can also go back and have a look at, you know, other I was going to say competitions, other projects and challenges that have been put up on here. You can load more and go through them. And you can even filter this. You can see here, filter challenges by skill. So you can go through and have a look at any of these. So look, simple, easy side hustle. Will it take a lot of time? Probably not. You know, you just go through, have a look at what they're asking, submit your ideas, and fingers crossed you could earn yourself some money. So look, if you found today's video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. But look, that's it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.